All right, today we're going to be doing place value review and comparing practice. So for our place value review, today we're going to be using the tens place and the ones place. So we have the number 46. In our tens place, we have the number 4, which equals 40. And in our ones place, we have the number 6, which equals 6. We are going to be using our comparing signs. So we have this sign, which is our greater than sign. This sign, which remember is our less than sign. And this sign, which is our equals to sign. So today we're going to be doing an activity, and you're going to find this in Google Classroom and make sure that you click the worksheet that's labeled Group C. So we're going to go to Google Classroom, Group C, and we're going to click on the link. And so this is a little bit of a game that we're going to be playing. And so you're going to need 1 dice or 2 dice. If you don't have dice at your house, you can use the online dice roller, and there's a link to that in the Google Classroom where this worksheet was. You also have the choice to print out the worksheet if you don't want to do it online like we're doing right now. If you print out the worksheet, you're going to need something to write and color with, and when you're finished, you'll have to take a picture or scan the worksheet and send it to me through an email. So, to get started with our game, you're going to roll the 2 die at one time, or you're going to roll 1 dice 2 times. Once you roll the dice, you're going to fill in the numbers that you rolled in the first 2 blank lines right here. Then, once you fill those lines in, you're going to roll the dice again, and you're going to fill in the second 2 blank lines. After you have both numbers, 2-digit numbers filled in, you're going to determine which number is greater. So if our first 2-digit number is greater, you're going to fill the circle in with a greater sign. If the second 2-digit number is greater, you're going to fill the circle in with a less than sign. And if the numbers are exactly the same and they're equal, you're going to fill the circle in with an equal sign. After you place the sign in the circle, if you printed the paper out, you're going to color in the box, or if you're doing it online, you're going to put an X in one of the boxes that has the same sign. So you're going to scroll down here, and you see here we've got 3 columns of greater than, less than, and equal to signs. So if your first number is greater than the second number, you're going to put an X in this box. If the first number is less than the second sign, you're going to put an X in this one. And if both numbers are equal, you're going to put an X in this box. So we're going to do one together. So to fill in our first boxes, we're going to go to our dice roller. And I'm going to go back, and I want to roll 2 dice because we're trying to find 2 numbers. So I'm going to click a roll dice. And we have a 3 and a 5. So I'm going to go back to my worksheet, and I have a 3 and I had a 5. So I have the number 35. Then I'm going to go back and click a roll again. This time I have a 2 and I have a 6. So I'm going to fill that in. 2 and 6. And that equals 26. So I know that 35 is greater than 26, because if we look at the tens place, the 3 is greater than the tens place, which is 2 in 26. So I'm going to put a greater than sign. And then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. I'm going to put an X in one of my greater than sign boxes. Then I'm going to scroll back up. And I'm going to roll the dice again and fill in these two boxes. And then roll again and fill in these two boxes. And once again, determine which number is greater. And then you're going to scroll back down and fill in the box depending on which sign you used at the top. You're going to keep doing this until one of your columns is completely full. Once that happens, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and click Finish. And then you're going to click Email my answers to my teacher. Then you're going to put your full name in here. You're going to put second grade, math, and then enter my email, which is bm1380@messiah.edu. And then you're going to click send, and that's going to send your answers to me.